Hello there, welcome to Science Everywhere, and today we are going to discuss about radiation. Now, what is radiation? By definition, it is a release of energy in the form of waves or particles. Radiation ranges from minute scales like those in your mobile phones or your microwaves, but it also has bigger forms like the cosmic rays that come from outer space. You may often have heard the terms or have seen signs which say ionizing and non-ionizing radiation. Ionizing and non-ionizing are two types of radiation. While ionizing can be lethal, non-ionizing is relatively less lethal. Ionizing radiation can even enter human cells and damage the DNA. Now, coming back to the definition, release of particles or waves. Now, what are these particles or waves anyway? The first particle is the alpha particle, and it consists of two protons and two neutrons packed together. Thus, this particle is heavy and it travels lower distances. Whereas beta particles are lighter because they consist of excited electrons, and thus they travel relatively longer than alpha particles. Now, gamma. This is not a particle. Yes, it's a wave. So the gamma is a wave and thus it can travel longer. Another factor that contributes to gamma traveling longer is that it does not contain mass. It's only energy. Thus it travels even more longer. But what is the cause of radiation? To know this, we need to zoom in to the microscopic level. Well, it's way too much more than microscopic, but yeah. Zooming in into the nucleus of an atom, we can see that the nucleus has a certain number of protons and neutrons, but if there is an imbalance in this particular number, then it is the cause of radioactivity. And the best example of a radioactive element is tritium. It is the second isotope of hydrogen. By now we basically covered what radiation is, but what is half-life? Well, half-life is the time it takes for half of the atoms in the element to decay. This is called half-life, and surprisingly, it ranges from a millisecond to even thousands and millions and billions of years. See, this time interval t in which the atoms reduce to half is called the half-life, and as I said, it ranges from even a millionth of a second to billions of years. So, we finally got an idea on what radiation is. And yes, it is awesome. And the time for a fun fact. 1% of the static from an untuned TV is from the cosmic background radiation from the Big Bang. Thanks guys for watching Science Everywhere, and if you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel and keep exploring. Thanks for watching Science Everywhere.